Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's focus for our Power Pilates series is cardio. Who doesn't love a good total body sweat? I'll be implementing low impact Pilates-style movements to raise the heart rate and sculpt the entire body. I will be using a set of 5-pound dumbbells for this series, but modified to fit your needs. If you enjoyed today's workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's get ready for our cardio Pilates. Starting our warm-up off in a parallel second. Take those toe tips forward and begin to sweep that arm up and around into a big lunge here. So big total body movements. Inhale and exhale, warming up the entire body from head to toe for our cardio work today. Now I'm barefoot today. If you want to go barefoot, that's absolutely fine, or you can put on sneakers. Inhale and exhale. Let's take it to the opposite side. Big sweep, press. Remember, deep lunge, and then big sweep, framing out the entire body here. Inhale and exhale. You can always intensify these movements, but most of the movements that we'll be doing today will be low impact. Inhale and exhale. Let's take those legs into a first position from here. Lift up and down press. Lift and lower. So we sweep and press. Reach so those arms are in a 90-degree position. Drop the shoulders down, press. Lift, make sure that all 10 toes are spread down on the earth. Lift and press. High onto that releve. Keep those elbows at shoulder height. Now from here, let's add some intensity. Down, push, down, press. Lower, lift, down, press. You can always intensify with some sautés if you want some jumps. Press, down, lift, down. Feeling those calves work. Press, down, lift, lower, press, down, lift. One, last one. Let's find our second position, and then we'll sweep into a Tendu. Second Tendu press. Big motion here. So we're reaching down with the fingertips and then crossing the body with diagonal arms. Down, down. You can always add a hop here. I'm not going to hop today, but you can if you want to intensify. Down, sweep it across. Down, push, lower. You can lift the leg for an advancement, or you can Tendu it down into the ground for more stabilization. Down, down across. Find that second. Sweep, lower, and press. Now from here, we're going to take it into a hamstring curl. Press, down, push, lower, reach behind, tap that toe, lower, lift, all the way down. Reach for it. Last set here. One last one. We transition and we grab those 5-pound weights. So from here, find your lunge, scissor the arm, and press. Scissor, lunge, down, press, lift. Big lunge. 2 90-degree angles within the body here. Sweep, press. Knees almost touching the earth here. Big movement. Tall spine, bellies are pulling in. That heart rate is raised. Now from here, we take little baby pulses. Pulse bicep curl. Pull those elbows in tightly. Woo, fatiguing out those legs. Keep it going, guys. Pulse it down. Woo, legs are burning. All right, we've got that opposite side. Transition from here. Big lunge, palms up. Scissors. Here we go with those arms. Scissor and press. Down. Reach. Make sure that weight goes right into the center, midline of the body. So make sure that you're not shifting forward or back. Down, press, lower, lift, palms up. Ooh, those arms are getting some work as well. Total body here. Press, lower, and lift. Inhale, exhale. Press. Now from here, we hold and we pulse it. Bicep curl, mini biceps curls here. Press. Breathe through it. Fatiguing out those legs here. Inhale and exhale. Side abduction sweeps. Plie, flex the foot. Down, flex. So it's a narrow squat. Lift. Flex that foot for me. Lift. Going into shoulder height here. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Now give me one last one. Now we change the grip of the arms. Palms go in. Flex through that foot. Inhale. Rotate your thigh and shin towards me. Inhale and exhale. Breathe. One last one. Press. Now, we combine those weights in the front of the body. Find your external rotation and stir the pot. Ooh, my heart rate is beating fast. How about you? I hope so. Working through those shoulders. Big stir the pot. Inhale. That's a big pot in front of you. Inhale and exhale. Me as well. Press. Up. Breathe. Deep squat. Second position. Arms and legs working. Integrating Pilates-style movements in towards this low impact cardio workout. You've got it. Press. All right, we've got chair pulses. From here we pulse. So you're sinking low. Find that low chair. Pulse. Getting some yoga work in here as well. Legs are burning. All right, now pop that right heel up. Feel the burn so good. Pulse. Inhale. Drop those shoulders down. We've got the opposite side. Press. Starting to sweat a little bit. How you doing? You're looking good. Keep it going for 4, 3, 2, last one. Moving into our floor exercises, if you want to take the next exercise into an advancement, you can always find a plank. Modified tricep push-ups alternating. So we take it out, bend those elbows. It's a quicker pace, but if you need to, you can always go a little bit slower. The reason that I'm bringing in a quicker tempo is to raise that heart rate. But if your form is out of control, I want you to slow these down. And if you need that advancement, you pop up to those toes. You've got to do what works best for your body and challenge your body and cater this workout to fit your needs. Press, elbows go back. Big press all the way down, so use that full range of motion here. Press out. one more. Down. To the opposite side, press. Now we immediately take it into a supine position. Grab the weights that you're using today, slowly articulate down, reach those toes up. We lower down into a leg drop and we exhale. Chest press. Now if you start to feel that your back is arching, then I want you to make sure that you're zippering up the core and just modify your range of motion. Don't take the legs as low if you're noticing that back arch. Press. Big press. Scoop the belly in. Open. Press. You can always use 8-pounders here if you needed a challenge. Or if you need a modification, you take it to 3 pounds. Inhale. Scoop the belly and zipper up that core. Down. Exhale, press. Lower. Lift. Give me 2 more. Down. Lift. One last one. Down. Lift. Pull those knees in. Gently lower the weights down into the mat. And then hug those knees side to side. You made it, guys. Awesome job. I'll see you on the next workout.